The market shifted. I want to take a shortcut. I want to save some money. This is a common mistake that most sellers are making when the market shifts. It's really easy to spend money on upgrading, spend money on flooring, paint your house, put some staging in, because you know there's going to be 22 offers on it and it's going to feel good and everyone's going to overpay for your home and offer you more than you're asking. And now the sellers are saying, let's not do that. Let's not spend the money. Let's not put in those upgrades. Let's not stage the home because the market sucks. It's a massive mistake, an absolutely costly mistake. It costs clients tens of thousands of dollars, hundreds of thousands of dollars in homes around here. You must do as much, if not more, in a sliding market to make your home stand out. There are a lot of sellers putting their homes on the market that don't look great, aren't staged great, don't put their stuff away, not painted, and guess what? The buyers are picking the better home. They're ignoring the ones that need the work. So as you decide where to cut or where to spend, think of the potential outcome before you make that decision. Err on the side of improving your home, making it look more beautiful and appealing to more buyers.